Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof in the garage. Nothing good can come of this. Actually, something really good is coming of this because my beautiful wife has her head in a box. That's not the good part. The good part is we've had this dresser in our garage now for months. That's all I'm willing to admit. And I got it for free. And it's really a sturdy dresser. It needs some work and it's extremely dated, but I didn't really know what I was going to do with it. A very good friend of ours, Ms. T, is moving into her own place this week and has a need for a dresser. So we thought as her housewarming gift, we would revamp this into something that she could enjoy and treasure. It's gonna take some effort and we only have 3 days to do it in. My beautiful wife, let's see if I can pan in there, is currently removing 900-year-old contact paper from the inside of this cabinet. I will tell you that 900-year-old contact paper was adhered with the equivalent of super glue for the space shuttle. This is literally the last cleanup step needed to get this loaded in the truck, taken down to Melissa's house so we can paint it. There we go. They're already metal, they just need to be kind of cleaned up, freshened up, and all that. Now, it had some damage to the top, and I sanded down because it's just, I guess it's pressboard on top, and I sanded it down where I guess it had gotten wet and expanded. And I don't think it's gonna paint beautifully, but I really kind of want to make a decorative feature on top anyway. So, if she's done fooling around.
Oh, I got you fooling around, lady.
We've been talking about this remodel for a while now, and you haven't got any of that off yet.
Yeah, I wonder why. They put it on with freaking NASA glue. Freaking hold this space shuttle together.
You wanna try sanding it off?
That's not a bad idea. I don't know why this wasn't done while I was gone in North Carolina.
We were a little busy with a couple other projects, small things you wouldn't have noticed.
You was fluffing off. Check.
Right. I don't think that's how that works. How's that working?
You were like right up on me.
And? A true camera woman knows how to get the shot. Just saying.
Don't hammer it like a girl. Hammer it like it's supposed to be hammered.
Huge shout out to this young lady right here for letting us use her garage, her sprayer, her garage, because let me tell you, she's bougie. She likes to park her car in the garage.
Yeah, so you need to get this shit up out of here.
Say, like, up out of here.
Word.
Glistening. So Melissa pointed out that I probably wanted to put a sand on the front of this, or all over the dresser, just because it did have some sort of weird finish on it and we don't want the paint to come off easily. So I went ahead and did that real quick. And now I'm about ready to mix up some paint. Like I said before, I don't love the color that I got, but it's pretty damn close. It's just not, I love the color, it's just not quite what I'm looking for. So I have a little bit of the white left from the shiplet project we just did, and I'm gonna make my own color. We gonna paint. Melissa's highfalutin spray painter. Oh yeah, oh, real nice. That's real nice, y'all. Doesn't matter how many projects I do with that sprayer, I love it more and more. So, took me about 10 minutes to paint this entire cabinet. All of the happy little nooks and crannies. I don't see any drips or dings. It looks really good. I'm most concerned about this area right here. I feel like it really got a lot of paint. It did. I don't know how to fix that. I don't know if I should tip it and let it drain down or let it go like it is. I don't know. Everything else looks really good. That's it for tonight. I'm gonna take the hinges home and the handles and get them soaking in some solvent to kind of get the goo off them so that I can get those painted hopefully tomorrow. If this needs any other touch-ups or second coats, I can come down tomorrow and just bzz, bzz, bzz. And hopefully I'll be able to put the top on and the hardware back and she'll be good to go. I love this color. It looks too cute. Too cute. So there's not a lot of hardware. I have no idea why I have extra screws. No clue. I thought I went from being shorter screw to having extras.
That's a lot of extra screws.
I don't need your judgment, Sharon.
That's a lot of extra screws. Yeah, I did not have any part in this. I simply come down, I spray painted the handles a little bit. Yeah, this is all my wife.
Hush it is.
All her. Yeah.
This cabinet, even though it painted well on top, better than I thought it would, I still like the idea of doing the wooden top, kind of matches the handles. So again, we have this birch thin board that we're gonna adhere to the top in kind of a, what is that, offset pattern?
Mm-hmm.
So we went ahead and stained up 7 of these. I think we're only gonna need 6, but we went ahead and did 7. And we're just filling in these gaps. Again, these are long pieces and we're just offsetting them. So, I don't know what color stain my wife picked, but she picked a beautiful one. It looks amazing. I absolutely love it. And if you will make sure it's level down there at the end, we didn't move anything.
No, it looks pretty good.
Perfect. And the great thing about this birch boarding is that it's so thin and easy to work with. It literally, the thin board cuts with a box knife. Sorry, I'm a left-handed.
And I'm recording with my phone.
Because we came all the way down to my sister's house and forgot the camera.
So we got all of it on, it's glued down, and thankfully she's also let us borrow a bunch of her storage totes to stack on top of it. And now we wait.
What you doing?
Well, fortunately, my wife didn't give me time. Freaking get it recorded. So I've got to be in the rain, moving it.
In the rain, moving it. What is it? Does it look good? Are you happy with it?
I know you'd like to see it,
We would like to see it.
but it's raining. You don't get to see it.
Inquiring minds would like to see it.
You can't see it, it's raining.
Is it a super secret?
Super secret.
Guys, we're delivering said dresser. She's taking forever.
You don't get to see it, it's raining.
Ta-da!
Now you can see it.
Oh. Ta-da.